Today I've come with a recipe that I often make when I want to cook something simple and easy, something that gets done quickly, but at the same time this will be delicious and nutritious. It is budget friendly and you can have it as a main meal or as a side. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Potatoes and eggs are the main ingredients for this recipe. There is a special way to cut the potatoes for this recipe. Cut them of medium thickness, I would say more on the thinner side. Take a large flat pan, heat oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil turns hot, in goes Mr. Potato. Fry them on high heat for 2 minutes. Then lower the heat to medium-low and let the potatoes get cooked. Now I prefer not using a cover as that sometimes leads to the potatoes breaking when they're near to getting tender. But whether you cover it or not, I leave that choice up to you. When the potatoes start getting these brown edges, I added a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Chili powder is totally optional, or you can also increase the proportion if you like more heat. I also added salt and then thinly sliced onions. Give a stir so that the spice powders get well mixed with the potatoes. I added fresh chili, but it is optional as well. Allow this to get cooked over medium-low heat till the potatoes turn tender, but please remember to come back to it from time to time and give a stir. Next, coming to the eggs. I've taken 5 eggs, you can take more or less. I added 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground coriander, that is dhania powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and little bit of salt. Then I love adding a splash of milk, but it is optional again. This is such an easy recipe, but you will be really amazed how delicious it turns out to be. After whisking the eggs very well, it is time to add the herbs. Today I am using a combination of basil, curry leaves, thyme, parsley, and coriander leaves. I'm not going to use a lot, but a little of each herb. Now you can use any herb of your choice. You can also use only one herb. You can use the greens of green onions. I used chopped red chilies. If you want to avoid the chili heat, please leave it out. In a separate pan, heat some oil over medium-low heat. Once the oil turns hot, add the egg mixture. You do not want to overcook the eggs. With a spatula, just fold in the eggs gently until it just starts to solidify. At this point, I really like adding a little bit of butter. You can completely leave out the butter, but you know, wherever there is butter, there is so much flavor. We will be mixing this again with the potatoes, so I like keeping them a bit soft at this stage. I don't think anybody likes having rubbery, overcooked eggs. Take them out into a bowl if your potatoes still need some time to get tender. Or if you see your potatoes have already turned tender, then you can directly add the scrambled eggs to the potatoes. My potatoes have turned soft. You can now increase the heat to high and stir them on high heat so that they turn a bit crispy. Finally, the herbed masala scrambled eggs go in, along with some more chopped herbs. Mix everything and you are done. My friends, this turns out to be so yummy. With each bite, you will be greeted with a burst of flavors coming from that combination of herbs. And that subtle touch of masalas also bring in so much flavor. And it gets done so quickly. This tastes best the sooner it is made in order to enjoy that crispiness of those potatoes. You can serve this as a side with rice or roti along with a dal and salad. Or you can make a wrap using this, or you can also have it with bread. At the same time, you can serve this just as a main meal because it is a combination of carbohydrate and proteins. Please do try this recipe and send me your feedback. And please do not forget to click that like button for me. Bye bye.